For this project, you're going to need a computer that can run the code, a short throw projector that can sit comfortably on your desk, and my code. This video is a short follow-up to my SmartLab video, so if you haven't seen it, the link's in the description. The first step is to download my code on Arc. I'll leave a link to the web version, the App Store, and Google Play. Arc is a new platform built just for inventors and creators. Think of it like a social media platform, but for engineers. I've been posting my builds on there too, so if you want to follow along or share your own work, check out the link below. You can find the code to my heads-up display by going to Products and clicking Download. While this code is completely free, keep in mind that this is only for the display and not for the brains of Jarvis. The inside of the folder will look like this, and you're going to want to open up the Python file. Next, make sure you select the right version of Python, and make sure the imports are working smoothly. Then you're going to want to update every object with your specific file path. You can do this by right-clicking on its corresponding image, clicking Copy Path, and then pasting it into the code. Then repeat this for the 9 other objects. To make the to-do list, create a new file with this name. Then you can open this new text file and create your list. And the best part is, this list will save every time you open it. And don't forget to copy the file path of this list too. And as long as everything's in place and everything's in the right version, you should now be able to run the window with no problem. The only thing left is to plug your laptop into the projector. And now you've done it. You officially have a working, interactive, holographic projector. Good luck on all your future Jarvis projects, and make sure to subscribe.